Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are in the final video of my skincare basics series. This is video 5 talking about the essential skincare routine. This is going to be a little more miscellaneous. So we've already cleansed, treated, hydrated, and protected. Those are the 4 essential skincare routine steps. So make sure to check out the playlist up above and the individual videos if you want information on that. But today I have pulled some additional products to talk about a step that kind of fits in multiple areas. It's kind of cleansing, it's kind of treating, it's kind of hydrating, and it's kind of protecting. So we're going to talk about essences and face mists in today's video. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into face mists and essences, can you try saying that 10 times fast? Face mists and essences. I can't. Try saying that, and let's jump right into it. Alright, so because you've already seen the other 4 videos, we know that we cleanse, we treat, we hydrate, and we protect. Now, I'm going to talk about essences first, because an essence is kind of the first optional step in a skincare routine. I love doing it. It's something that I'm really a fan of. But if you're cleanse, treat, hydrate, protecting, it's the least important step if you want to put it in there. Technically, it would come after you've toned your skin, but before you've put on your treatments. But an essence is hydrating. It does help to tone the skin and balance the pH to get everything else in. And because it's toning, it counts as a cleanser area step or a cleanse step. But because it's a hydrating step. But it also does treat the skin by balancing it and allowing your other skincare to work better. So it's definitely an important step, but it kind of fits into all categories. But you would apply this after your toner, but before your serum. I'm going to talk about 3 today. 2 I have in trial sizes because I don't go through essences very quickly because you take like 5 drops and I find bottles go bad before I can finish them. The first one I have is from CosRx. It is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. This is my second bottle of this. This is very mucusy. It's snail mucin, so it is very hydrating. It is a great brightening treatment. It is loaded with nutrients, but this is a little bit of a slimy texture. I know that doesn't make it sound very exciting, but it is beautiful on the skin. I press it in and then I go in with my treatments and everything just feels so much glowier and so much healthier when I have it on. I love the way it applies. Now, that's more for hydration and nourishment. I've really been loving the Kiehl's Ferulic Brew Rejuvenating Facial Essence. I've been using this for about 3 weeks and I noticed an instant reaction when I started using it. It uses ferulic acid, lactic acid, and squalane, which are very hydrating and nourishing ingredients. Like I said in an earlier video, that lactic acid is going to help your skin to grab on to hydration and gently exfoliate. So this is kind of doing a little bit of everything where it's hydrating, exfoliating, toning, and prepping your skin for more products. It just leaves the skin feeling so glowy and smooth and beautiful that I absolutely love it. And the essence that I've been hit or miss with, it's similar to what I did in my first video where I had the one toner that I neglect. I've been using it on and off for like 6 weeks, but it barely looks like I used any because of how infrequently I use it. It is the Feuilleton Smooth Water Essence Hydrate and Tone. So it even says on the bottle that it's a hydrate and tone, which means it's an essence. It's more of a liquid consistency, so it is super lightweight. It is not as thin as this one, and it is definitely not as mucousy as this one, but it does apply beautifully to the skin. I feel smooth and balanced when I use it, but there's something about the exfoliation from the Kiehl's one and the pure, like, I know thick and slimy doesn't sound attractive, but I love how this feels on the skin that it just makes me neglect this one so much more, but it's really not that big a deal. Use what you like, but in essence is going to help to balance your skin, prep it, and make sure the rest of your skincare is working the best it can. In addition to that, I have 4 face mists in front of me, and I am really excited about all 4 of them. The first I've had the longest, and this is actually my second bottle. This is the In Beauty Project Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. Technically is a makeup setting spray, but it is loaded with great ingredients that I actually like to use it as a rejuvenating mist. Throughout the day, if I feel like I need a little pick-me-up, I can just spray it right on, and it is absolutely beautiful on the skin. This is the only one that I really, really like with makeup on top of makeup. The rest I prefer underneath makeup, or when I'm not wearing makeup. From Caudalie, I have 2. One is Pure Grape Water. This is an aerosol-based hydrating grape water, super nourishing, Grape water is an antioxidant ingredient, so it is super hydrating and super nourishing, and helps the skin to really like de-inflammate. That's like the weird way of saying it's anti-inflammatory. It helps to take down redness and irritation. So I'm a really big fan of it as an ingredient. Now, if you find that you're more on the oily side, or you're prone to breakouts, or you're just wearing a mask, the Beauty Elixir, also from Caudalie, is pure magic. It has the same grape water in it, plus a bunch of extracts that make it antibacterial and antimicrobial. I like to mist this inside my mask. I will take it on the face several times a day because it balances my skin, it helps to reduce breakouts, and it just helps to keep my skin balanced and fresh and beautiful. I'm in love with this. Like, I've been using this bottle for about a week and it's already almost empty. I need to get another one and I need to get a full size, but I've been using this for absolute years. This was the rose bottle limited edition one. It normally comes in a solid green bottle, but it's still like that frosted glass. Absolutely beautiful, 10 out of 10 recommend. And the last one I've only been using for about a week. It actually launched like this week, so it was sent to me, but it is the Cora Organics Minty Mineral Hydration Mist. This reminds me so much of this one. It's just a little bit mintier. It has a beautiful mist. I do love the way, I'm going with every mist today. I love the way it smells. I love the way it feels. It has a little like salt rock or mineral or something floating in there. It's just a cute experience. It's a nice luxe bottle, but I love the way that it works on the skin. You can also use this throughout the day on makeup, but it says to use after cleansing and as needed throughout the day to hydrate. Again, all of these mists are things that I would add after the essence, but before the serums, and then throughout the day just to boost some additional hydration. Some of them work better than others on top of makeup, but I don't have an issue with any of them on makeup. I just prefer this one on makeup, and this one's not bad on makeup either. But the other two, I think that this is too much water at a time because I just keep going. I live in South Florida. I want to keep adding more and more and more. And this one I haven't had long enough to really test with makeup the way I have the other two. But you really can't go wrong with any of them. And if you've made it to the end, I know this is video 5 and we've been talking about skincare all week for a really long time. So if you have any questions on anything, please leave them down below. Let me know any thoughts, any questions on specific products, something I might have missed. Sound off in the comment section. I will also try to remember to link every single product I spoke about today in the description box. I've linked the playlist up above. I've linked all of the additional videos from this series up above as well. Cleanse, treat, hydrate, protect, essences, face mists, the works. I also recently posted a video all about lip care, so I can post that one up there as well. The only thing that we haven't really touched on recently, I've done videos in the past, but not recently, are tools and masks. So let me know down below if you would like to see a video on tools, masks, and any of those additional products. And I also promised that Brandon would be coming on soon for a video. He and I are going to be talking through actually a lot of these products because it's what we're using now anyway, but his thoughts on skincare, because I know a lot of people have expressed interest on getting their husbands into skincare, shopping for a brother, shopping for a friend, and just getting men into skincare, and that's something that I am obviously very passionate about. So I will be doing that soon, where Brandon and I talk about some skincare favorites and some products that absolutely changed our skin for the better 100%. So I know that's a lot. Leave down below comments, concerns, questions, what videos you want to see, what you found helpful today, any questions, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.